All right, guys. So I want to show you something really freaking cool. This is amazing. We just launched this brand new AI bot builder at Lumiwealth, where you can actually generate your own bots using AI. So if you've ever made a trading algorithm, you'll know how difficult it is. This will allow you to make a trading algorithm super, super, super easily. Basically, it's like ChatGPT. You can talk to it. We've basically trained this AI to be very good at creating specifically trading algorithms. Because if you go to ChatGPT, you ask it to build a trading bot for you. I don't know if you've ever tried that. I have, and so have our clients. It doesn't work so well. So we built basically an AI, trained it specifically to build trading bots so that you can, basically concentrate on your strategy. Think about that instead of having to learn how to code and all that kind of stuff. All right. So that's BotSpot.trade. And let me show you how to use it. Okay. If you want to go to this website, it's BotSpot.trade. And what we're going to do is we're going to build a strategy that uses a bull call spread. So if you don't know what a bull call spread is, it's essentially an options strategy that allows you to take on a lot of leverage. So if you think that a stock is going to shoot up like crazy, this is probably your best bet for making a ton of money off of it, right? So for example, let's say I want to trade Palantir. I'm a big fan of this stock. I've owned it for quite some time, and it's made me a ton of money, right? If I want to amplify those gains, what I would do is I'd use a bull call spread. So essentially what you're doing is you are buying a call option and you're selling a call option, but you're selling them at different strike prices. So kind of a typical setup is maybe you'll buy 10% out of the money and sell 20% of the money. That's a pretty aggressive bull call spread. I think this would work pretty damn well for Palantir. So let's check it out. Let's actually build this thing together, right? So let's look at how easy it is to build this with BotSpot. It's going to blow your mind. This is crazy. Okay, so let's say I go in here. I want to create this strategy. Here's BotSpot. Go to BotSpot.trade, not .com, .trade. And when you come here, it explains to you a little bit about this. We have our strategies on here. You can actually look at our strategies and people in our community that are running strategies as well. And then you could go here and click on create strategy using AI. So I'm going to click on that. And now I have something that looks kind of like ChatGPT. If you are someone who is not registered to the site, you might have a thing pop up. We have a free trial for you guys. It's a 30-day free trial for you guys to actually try this out. Don't worry about paying any kind of money. You get to just try it. And if you like it, you get to keep it and you get a really, really amazing tool. So you have a 30-day free trial if you guys want to try that. I'm obviously signed up. So I'm going to create this strategy now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically talk to it like a human, right? So I'm going to say and by the way, we actually design bots for people. We've been doing this for many years. For over 5 years, we've been designing bots. If you wanted us to build something like this, it would probably cost like thousands of dollars. Like a year or two ago, if you had asked us to build something like this would be easily, $4,000 or $5,000 bot to build. Now you guys can build it very easily by just typing into here. Think about how much money it would cost to hire a developer to do this, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here. I'm going to say make a bot that trades bull call spreads on Palantir, PLTR, I think is their ticker, right? It should get the chains that are closest, or let's say that are at least 30 days out, right? So we want to buy options that are at least 30 days out or longer, right? And the buy call should be 10% out of the money, and the sell should be 20% out of the money. This is, again, it's a pretty typical setup when you're doing a bull call spread. This is pretty aggressive, but if we're right, we'll make a crap load of money doing this, right? So it should keep buying these spreads every month, right? So we want them to keep going, right? We don't want this thing to stop. And trade, let's say 20 spreads at a time, right? We don't want to go too crazy. We're just going to say 20 spreads at a time. Don't go too crazy with it. Let's say the initial budget should be $1,000. Okay, so we're gonna start with $1,000. We're gonna trade this. Okay, so make a bot that trades bull call spreads on Palantir. It should get the chains that are at least 30 days out or longer, and buy calls. And the buy call should be 10% of the money, and it should sell, and the sell should be 20% of the money. It should keep buying these spreads every month and trade 20 spreads at a time. The initial budget should be $1,000. Okay, so you can make this thing bigger here. And all we're going to do, we're going to hit generate strategy, and we're going to wait a little bit. Give it a couple seconds. Behind the hood, basically right now it's going off and talking to AI, using all the things that we've created. We've trained specialized AIs to do this exact thing for you, to build trading bots, to build crypto trading bots, option trading bots, stock trading bots. You can do all sorts of things. Okay, so there you go. So it generated this code for me. You can see here, this is Python code. Amazing. Holy crap. It built all of this for me, right? Again, this literally would cost you thousands of dollars if you had to hire a software developer to do it for you. Literally generate this code one shot. Amazing. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit copy code, and I'm going to go over to my VS Code. If you guys are not familiar with this, it's basically a way of running software code on your computer. You can also run this on Replit.com or things like that, but basically something that can run Python code, right? I'm going to go create a Python file here. I'm going to call it Palantir bull spread strategy.py, right? .py, because it's a Python file. I'm going to copy here. I'm going to hit paste, and then I'm going to hit run. Okay. And now we wait. Okay. And we see backtest starting. You see this thing backtesting for me. I could actually watch how much money it's making here. You can see portfolio value. It's downloading these call option prices. Boom, and you can see it's changing the price here. The value of my account's already gone up to $2,800. Already went up to $7,000. Wow, already went to $10,000. That's crazy. This thing's growing super fast. It's pretty amazing. From $1,000, it's turning quite a bit of money around here. 13,000, you can see there. Wow, this thing is taking off like crazy. Damn, that's even better than I thought. That's insane. Check this thing out. Jesus, wow. Okay, so this is one hell of a strategy. We could see here, this strategy is nuts. Basically, it did 3,900% over the course of this backtest. That's amazing. Let's take a look at the trades. Here's what the trades are doing. We could see here, if I just isolate the graph itself, here's basically what my account would have done. Start off at $1,000. You can see it went up, kept going up, kept going up. And holy crap, it started at $1,000. It was at April 1st, $1,000. And by this time here, this is on January 31st, 2025, shot up to $39,999. Jesus, this is incredible. So from $1,000 to $40,000. Wow, that is absolutely nutso. Very cool. Bull call spreads, guys. If you want to see how to do this, go to BotSpot.trade. You could actually make this yourself. Again, go to the website, BotSpot.trade. It's not .com, it's .trade. Go there, click on create strategy using AI, sign up for your free trial, and check it out. You guys can make your own bots like this. Let me know what you guys build. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. This thing could build all sorts of crazy stuff, option strategies, crypto strategies, stock strategies, whatever. Let me see what you guys create. Let me know. I will be super interested to see what happens. All right. Thanks, guys.